Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to make some steaks. We got a couple New York strips. We got some sirloins, got them on sale. Been sitting in the fridge for about a day and a half. I'm going to melt some butter. I'm going to take a whole stick of this Finlandia. This is made with milk from grass-fed cows. They also have, what's that brand? They got Land O'Lakes, and then they also have a Kerrygold. Kerrygold is really good. I use that a lot. This is new. I wanted to try it. At least this is new in our area. 1 stick of butter. Some beef bouillon cubes. I'll put about 3 of them in there. We'll stick them down in this butter. Try and push them in. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about a minute, minute and a half till this whole stick of butter melts. Once that shit's melted, you wanna crush up them beef bouillon cubes the rest of the way. You can stir them fuckers in there. Stir that up for a minute. Some garlic powder. You want to put a bunch in there. I know a bunch ain't a measurement for most of you guys, but it is for me. It's just watch how much comes out of here, man. I don't know what to tell you if you got OCD. A bunch of garlic powder. It changes every time, but it's always good. This is onion powder now. I use a bunch of that. Bunch of pepper. Don't worry, we're gonna add more of this after it comes off the grill. This is extra if you have any, that's cool. Minced onion. If you don't have it, oh well. If you don't like onion, then leave all the onion parts out of this. 3 things you need. Beef bouillon, butter, garlic. Those are the most key ingredients. Any of this other stuff, you can live without. Put just a little bit of this in here because we're going to put salt directly on the steak after we're done marinating it in this butter. Now you want to put your steaks in here. Stir it up a little bit. So get these good and coated. On both sides. And then we're going to let them sit out, room temperature. Let them sit for about 20 minutes like that. And then we'll take them to the grill. Alright, you want to preheat your grill, get it really hot, or at least halfway hot. That way you get some char marks on your steaks. This grill is perfect for that. Your steaks are real cold, that butter will solidify. That's alright though. You want to Let's put that one there. Sirloin. There we go. Check that out. Oh yeah, you want to put your salt on now. I know it looks like a bunch, but most of that salt's going to get knocked off. It's going to get knocked off onto the grill. So you want to use a good amount of salt. All right, after about 3 minutes, you want to flip these steaks. The char marks would be better, but I ran out of gas. I had to change the damn gas can so I didn't get a hot start. But this side that we're about to do should get good and hot. While we're waiting, we're going to put some more butter in a bowl. Take this wrapper off, put it in the microwave and melt it. We're going to need it later. All right, after about 3 more minutes on that side, you're going to want to pull some of these off. I'm going to leave a couple on there. For some people here that like them burnt shoe leather steaks. I don't get it, but whatever. I wish I could have got some better char marks, but like I said, I ran out of gas as soon as I started it up. And didn't get to start out as hot as I wanted. Once you got your steaks off the grill, you want to let them set for about 4 or 5 minutes. Trust me, it's worth waiting. All right, once you pull the steaks off, let them sit for a while. You want to cut it. That butter we melted earlier, that's what it's for. Or you could just drizzle it on top. Look at that. I'd eat the butthole right out of that steak. That's fucking good.